Now here is a forward-thinking DIY, turning this old lead-acid battery into a lithium-ion battery pack, and you can see inside this one has seen better days. All of those plates a little burnt out, a little too much exposure to the acid, now dried out and being cleaned out. Remember, if taking on a project like this, you got to safely dispose of that stuff. Now, to clean out the inside of the pack, clean it up and make space for all of the new lithium-ion batteries that'll be connected into different sections. And fortunately, that's easy to do when you've got a 3D printer. Top and bottom, they're locked into place. Now to test all the cells to ensure that the correct voltage is going to come out of this pack. And from there to connecting them all. Some quick welding along the top of each one of them. At first across the lengths, and with that done, time to work on the shorter connections. And again, carefully connected. Remember, if trying this at home, safety first. Follow all manufacturer's instructions. Wear all that personal protective equipment. Now, one of the most important parts of a lithium-ion battery pack is the board or chip that controls the rate of charge and discharge, as well as a few other functions. That carefully soldered into place. And through this board and out its other side will be the connections for the positive and negative terminal. Once those are soldered into place, it's just about time to get this back inside. And a good idea to sand down that rough edge before doing so, and to thoroughly clean the interior. Looks like a nice, even and flush fit. In goes the battery pack. Plenty of room for those positive and negative terminals, not to mention a little extra insulation. And because the battery packs do heat up, a great idea to leave a little extra space for airflow. A few small dots of solder to connect the terminals on the outside with the positive and negative terminals on the inside. Now to lock everything in place with another insulating layer. Laid down, it's time for some epoxy to be laid on top of that insulation to hold this lid in place. And unlike that lead-acid battery, this one will be rechargeable and should last a whole lot longer, provided it's stored and used properly. A quick check, and it's good for use.